Planning a shower remodel? Consider a solid surface shower by Surface Bella. The contemporary styles of our exclusive Radiance Solid Surface product will transform your bathroom into the most beautiful room in your home. Surface Bella makes the design process easy. Choose from 21 gorgeous colors and optional pre-selected mosaic tile accents to get the look you want. You may have heard of solid surface for kitchen countertops. It's often admired for its durability and ease of cleaning. Those same great benefits translate to your new solid surface shower stall. Radiance for your bathroom has a deep stone-like pattern, usually blended with eye-catching metallics. Enjoy a shocking upgrade to the usual industry beiges and browns. The result is an undeniably elegant and modern style that separates itself from everything else on the market. After choosing your design, our sales manager will be with you every step of the way to make sure you are confident and excited about your new shower stall. When it comes to installation, our contractors are chosen for experience and talent. You'll get a fair price and a superior product with Surface Bella. Coordinate your new shower stall into a seamless look that will be the envy of all who enter. Contact Surface Bella today for a free in-home consultation.